Welcome back friends. Today's video topic is how to automatically highlight the active cells column in Microsoft Excel. As you can see in the screen, when I click on different cells, the active cells column gets auto highlighted. Let me switch to different cells and the column gets auto highlighted. So here I'll show you how we do this in Excel. First of all, select the entire sheet by clicking here. This selects all the sheet. If you want to apply this automatic highlighting of the column in the data only, then you have to select the data only. But here I want to do this for the entire sheet. So select all the sheet. Then click on the conditional formatting tool. Then new rule. Click on use a formula to determine which cell to format. And here in the formula bar, write this formula equal to cell bracket open double quotation COL col double quotation bracket close equal to COLUMN column open and close bracket. After writing this formula here, click on the format button, click on fill tab, then choose the color that you want for highlighting. Click on OK. OK. The column gets highlighted, but if I click on another cell, this is not updating. To update this in real time, we have to write a small line of VBA code. For that, right click on the sheet, click on view code. From this drop down, select Oak Sheet, and here between these two lines of code, write this code application dot screen updating equal to true. After writing this, you can close this VBA window. Now when you click on a cell, the active cells column gets automatically highlighted. If you want to save this function in Excel, you have to save this workbook as a macro enabled Excel file. For that, click on the File tab, Save As. From this type of the file, choose Excel Macro Enabled Workbook. Choose the location where you want to save the file. Let me select Desktop. Then click on the Save button. Now, if you go to the desktop, here you can see the macro enabled version of the file is given. To use automatic highlighting of the active cells column feature, you have to open this macro enabled version of the file. So this is how you can auto highlight the active cells column in Microsoft Excel. If you want to practice this, you can download this sample data from the link in the video description below. Thank you very much for watching. See you again in next video tutorial.